Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Tonight we are going to make some cranberry juice. I have been holding on to these since around the first of the year, and we're going to make cranberry juice, and we're going to make unsweetened cranberry juice. Since I'm on keto, I can sweeten it with an alternative sweetener if I want to, and Joe can sweeten it with regular sugar if he likes after the fact. So let's get started. I'm going to go through all of the cranberries and make sure there's no rotten ones in there, and then we're going to get it going. So I'm going through and taking out ones like this one is really mushy, and I don't want that in my juice, so I'm just going in and taking out ones that that don't look the best. And then after this, we're going to wash them up. Oh, there's one. I just got my jars out of the canner. They're warm. And I'm just going to fill these jars up. About 3/4 of the way full. Alright, I'm going to top them off now. I don't have enough for another jar. And I'm just going to fill the jars with regular water. So this was 6 bags of cranberries. I'm getting ahead of myself. So we want to wipe down the rims. Even though we're not putting sugar or anything in here, you never know what could be stuck to the rim that would ruin the seal. Alright, and then we can come through with our lids. Finger tight. Alrighty. And then we'll put these in the canner. Alright, I'm going to put a dash of white vinegar. This keeps your jars clean. It doesn't get that scale on it, like a chalk scale. So I'm going to let this come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, then I'm going to time it for 20 minutes. Okay, I took a little bit of water out. So I'm going to cover this so it will boil faster. And we'll come back and check it. Oh, we're almost there. Alright, it's officially boiling, so we will let it go for 20 minutes. Well, they're done. Look how pretty that comes out. That is just such a pretty, that's going to be a pretty jar sitting on the shelf. So that didn't take long, just washing the cranberries, filling them in the jar, filling it up with water, and processing for 20 minutes. That's the easiest way, no sugars added or anything. So if you try this, let me know what you think. And tell me how easy it was for you. I know that there's other ways of doing this, but this was the easiest way I found to do it. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you on the next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.